Yo, it's Zach for the win. I always Zach for the win, and you're watching me, Zach for the win. Woo! So today we are going to be building this beast right here. This is the latest Lego Technic 1:8 scale supercar. It is the McLaren P1. We're going to be building it today. Now, as you can see, we have got an empty space right here, right on the shelf that is reserved for this car. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So you guys know the drill. Usually what I do is I do a time lapse and I do cinematics at the end. I mean, it's a good formula, so why mess with it? All right, you guys know the drill. Let's build this bad boy. All right, here we go. This is the big moment. One more wheel, and she is finished. And there we have it. She is completed. And oh boy, she is beautiful, is she not? Oh yeah, this is gonna be a fine addition to the collection, guys. It took me exactly 12 hours to build. You know, this thing looks great. But there's only one more thing that'll make it look even better. And of course, you guys know what it is. It's cinematics. Well, guys, I gotta be honest. I am really impressed with this thing. Honestly, it's probably one of the best looking cars in the whole collection. I don't know, though. Maybe it's just because it's new, so it's just kind of like the initial buzz or something. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys think this is the best one? Or do you think one of the other cars is the best one? I'd like to hear your opinions. So now that that set is done, we're gonna be moving on to the next one, which is this bad boy right here. It's like some cool little off-roader thing. I got it for really, really cheap because there was no box or anything. So that's going to be the next Lego set that I'm gonna work on. Hopefully that comes out sooner rather than later. Alright, but anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching. Tell your friends, tell your family, let everybody know about me. Zach FTW. Stay awesome.